Moving into our dimensional theory analyses menu option, and we get to this loop. For I theory in enumerate, theory is 1, : We're encountering the enumerate function for the first time in this program, and this is Python's tool for adding automatic numbering to loop iterations. It's perfect for creating numbered lists and user-friendly menu displays. It makes it easier to do. So enumerate takes our theories list and adds sequential numbers to each item. The 1 parameter tells enumerate to start counting from 1 instead of 0. Each iteration returns 2 values, the number I and the original item theory. This creates automatic numbering for list displays without manual counting. You can see an example on the screen of what enumerate produces. The for loop unpacks tuples. I gets the number, theory gets the name. This creates professional numbered menus automatically instead of manually tracking numbers or using range. Enumerate handles the numbering while giving you access to both the position and the actual data. The result gives you clean menu output.